This 2022 Coachmen Prism Select 24DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Lakeland, Florida, 33809 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Lakeland. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 29 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2022 Coachmen Prism Select 24DS is built on a 3500 Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.